Hello guys, today in this YouTube video we'll be using the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. Let's head to it to be the solution. Sorry, don't mind my line. We'll write out the quadratic equation first. X squared plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. Now the quadratic formula is minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Now the coefficient of x squared here is a, coefficient of x here is b, and the constant is c. So now having that, minus b will be minus 6 plus or minus b squared is 6 squared minus 4 times a is the coefficient of x squared, which is 1, times c is 9 over 2 times 1. This will be minus 6 plus or minus the square root of 36 minus 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 9 is 36 over 2. This should be x equal to and x equal to. Then this will be x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus 36 minus 36 is 0. 0 over 2. This will be x is equal to, this will be minus 6 plus or minus root of 0 is 0, 0 times 0 is 0 over 2. Coming up here, this will be minus 6, let's write it, so minus 0 over 2, x is equal to, x is equal to minus 6 plus 0 over 2, or x is equal to minus 6 minus 0 over 2. That is the implication of this plus or minus sign. This is the plus sign, then this is the minus sign. So this will be minus 6 plus 0 is minus 6 over 2, or x is equal to minus 6 minus 0 is still minus 6 over 2. This will be x is equal to minus 3, or x is equal to minus 3. This is the answer. You can use factorization method to prove this. Will still give you the same answer. So in our next video we will be using completing the square method. Please subscribe.